I want to pause for a second. One of the things about the hero's journey that makes it so fascinating and exciting is to imagine you are on your hero's journey right now, and somebody might tell you something today that is exactly what you need to hear to take that next step, or to have the courage to do what that still small voice is saying. And I just want to share this example with you because it is so magical and awesome. And actually, it's from Fran. I asked Fran if I could share this. When she was thinking about stepping away from her very successful field in advertising and going into this new world, that, you know, it's always challenging to step into the unknown, especially if this part was working really well. And so Fran was at a McDonald's, and one of her daughters was playing in that, you know, the thing with all the balls and everything. So Hannah's playing in there. And all of a sudden, Fran turns around, and there's this elderly couple sitting at her table. Like, okay. And almost as if they were just continuing the conversation they had been having, the couple said, yeah, and you know, you never have to worry about the future. Fran's like, oh, hi. And then they begin to talk, and even though they're elderly, they acted like they were like newlyweds. They're just so bubbly and happy. And the wife says something like, yeah, it's so amazing that we always thought we would never be able to afford to retire because he's a pastor, you know, never made much money, never able to save money, getting older, and thought, okay, that's not going to happen. And then one day there's a knock at the door, and there's this guy at the door, and he said he's an attorney for this man who willed his whole estate to us. And this man said that he walked into the church one time, wasn't a member of the church, and my husband's sermon was so inspiring to him, it changed his life. And he wanted to thank him for that. And they're like, isn't that so cool? Isn't that so amazing? And so again, they look at Fran, it's like, yeah, so you never have to worry about the future. Fran's like, thank you. And so have that, you are on your hero's journey, attentiveness to be on the lookout for that person who's right there in that moment to give you the message that you need.